I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA's. Today's May 8th, Wednesday, 2024, early in the morning here. About to close this trade. So yesterday, I had a guy follow me. So he's like, I'm not taking these trades. I'm like, okay, here's another fuck boy. But I think I forgot to mention yesterday that we were at a 70. If you take a look here, we're at a 70. We hit that last up candle. We were at that gap, a lot of confluence there. That's why I took this trade, but I didn't tell nobody I was in this trade. Took a sell yesterday, actually. I don't need to, but I should have. I think I forgot to say it, but the day was already over. But that was my goal, was to come down here. I was mentioning here that it would be nice to come down here, get into this imbalance we have on the daily chart. We have this gap right there, have a body underneath that, which would be the week open. And then also, I don't know if I mentioned this specifically, but there was a 4-hour gap right here. If you watched the last couple of days, I'm pretty sure I mentioned it, I think, but we never sealed that imbalance on the 4-hour. So I had taken this trade actually yesterday here around the 1:30, after 1:30. So and what was the logic? The point here is, and I'm not trying to be right here. The point is the logic of where price can go. So I decided to make the video because I got an alert that it was here and kind of woke up earlier and whatever. I'm usually at the chart at this time. And the question is do I take this fucking trade out or not? Because because it came to this gap right here and it literally bounced right on top of it. That's why I got these gaps on here. Is that I don't be just talking, but see that reaction. It's easy for it to bounce and be a big fucking wick and come all the way over here, which I don't need that to happen. I just don't need that to happen, right? So and then also if I move this over so you can see it. I was talking yesterday, who wins this battle here, right? But these were all lower highs. And that sure enough did pan out. So let me delete this just so you can understand. But I was mentioning this here. And then, what's it called? Dollar decided to go higher. But it's easily for dollar to stop right here and retrace back, especially with that gap right there. And a gap right there with no body. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close it here. Fuck that. Yeah, and it'll probably still hit my target, but again, I don't need to be right, man. So here we go. I'll just close it. All right. So, anyways, yeah, that's for the guy who unfollowed me and said I don't take these trades. So go fuck yourself. And I don't owe anybody shit. And I'm gonna make that clear. I don't owe anybody anything. Okay. But yeah, I did forget to mention I was in this trade. I wanted to, but it didn't matter. It was something like nonchalant that I was in. But yeah, but the logic here is what you need to understand here. Like, I didn't need to be right for this trade, right? I didn't need to be right. You see that? I didn't need to be right. Look at this dangling carrot here. So you also have this low right there, right? And they didn't take that out. They just bounced right here. Now I'm pretty sure we're coming for it. But the point is that I don't need to be right. You see the difference? I mean, because look. I mean, we're talking about fucking 10 points, literally 10 points. So why would I not take a trade out of that magnitude for 10 points? Okay. Not partially, not doing any of that shit. For what? Because that can mess with your psychology. It's like, oh, I'm going to hold on to it. And then while it comes against you, you're losing more of your profit that you fucking, went for. And then you're like, oh, well, I partialed. It's like, okay, well, that could have been a buy if all the signs are aligned. But yeah, this looks pretty nice for it to continue down. But I just wanted to take it out while we're on live here. So yeah, so I mentioned everything already, and see if I can try to render this video and put it up now. But I still like this area coming down here, so we'll see. And then yesterday here I was showing this area. You recall? Actually, I was mentioning it for a couple days now, but yeah, I was mentioning it. Do we take that high out or not? And I'm okay. I mean, I'm still can take this trade, and even if it might come up here, but look what happened. I ended up being right, right? So I don't mind taking these shots because if it was gonna sell, then it's either gonna sell from above here or under here, right? Of this candle I'm talking about, and it's sold at it. So hope this clarifies confusion on how I do things or talk about things or whatever. But to the guy who unfollowed me, go fuck yourself. All right, you guys take care. God bless.